So now we've made our tie. It would have been much longer than that, but we're going to trim it down so that it's about 10 mil or 1 centimetre. And now, because when we wound this, we had our drill in reverse, it will act like a screw, and we can just screw this in to the back of our lure. Now that's not going to want to stay there for very long, so if I just get it to the position that I want it, which would be something like that, what I can do is I can unscrew that and put a little drop of glue on there and glue it in position. So that's our next bit, is to take our ties that we've just made, our hardware, and we'll screw one in the back, one in the front, and we just need to make sure we line the two up so that they're both parallel with each other. Put a bit of glue on it so we can take that off, put a bit of glue in there, wind it back in, and we're nearly done.